Handling multiple stakeholders in a single project can be tricky, but with the right approach, you can keep everyone aligned, minimize confusion, and drive success. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is identify all your stakeholders. These are the people or groups who will have an impact on your project's success or will be affected by it. Stakeholders can include team members, clients, suppliers, and executives. Once you know who they are, you can tailor your communication and engagement strategies to keep everyone on the same page. The next step is setting clear expectations early on. Right from the start, be upfront about the project's goals, timelines, and deliverables. Each stakeholder should know their role and responsibilities so they understand what's expected of them. This helps prevent misunderstandings later down the line and ensures smoother collaboration. Now, when you're dealing with multiple stakeholders, communication becomes your most important tool. Keep it regular, transparent, and two-way. Use meetings, emails, and updates to ensure everyone is kept in the loop. But remember, don't over-communicate or bombard them with unnecessary details. Keep your updates concise and relevant to each stakeholder's interest. Balancing stakeholder priorities is another crucial step. Everyone has their own objectives, and some might conflict. The key here is to listen actively to their concerns, understand their perspectives, and try to find a compromise. It's essential to manage conflicting priorities without disregarding anyone's input. A big part of handling multiple stakeholders is setting up a feedback loop. You'll need to give everyone a chance to voice their opinions and concerns. This can be done through regular check-ins or feedback sessions. Incorporating their input can help keep the project moving forward and ensure it's aligned with everyone's expectations. At this point, you might be wondering how to keep track of all these moving parts. That's where software comes in. I've tried all the popular tools, and I'm going to recommend the software we'll be using for managing all these stakeholders in the description below. It's got everything you need to keep communication streamlined, track progress, and ensure accountability, all in one place. Plus, there's an exclusive free trial available just for viewers of this channel, so check it out if you want to follow along with what we're doing here. Finally, a good practice is to stay flexible. Things can change, and unexpected challenges will arise. So, be ready to adapt your strategy if needed, while keeping everyone updated on any changes that might affect them. The key takeaway here is that managing multiple stakeholders isn't about controlling them, but about keeping communication clear, expectations aligned, and everyone engaged. By knowing who your stakeholders are, setting expectations early, maintaining transparent communication, balancing priorities, and staying adaptable, you'll be able to handle any project with confidence. Remember, the software we'll be using in this tutorial can help you manage everything we've discussed, and you can get an exclusive free trial through the link in the description below. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your project.